We all know that confidence is a key ingredient to success, both personally and professionally. And all kinds of messages from past experiences from the world can sabotage our confidence and make us doubt ourselves. But without that confidence, it's going to be very difficult to achieve the goals that we want. And so let's do something about that. And I often say that the extent to which we don't have something is the extent to which we're resisting it, because there's some reason why it might not feel safe. So we're going to explore that using tapping, a simple technique for clearing up the resistance and the fear that stops us from doing better. So, taking full responsibility for your own well being, just tap, right, tap, and repeat back what I say. I choose to feel more confident, and I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to feel more confident, and I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to feel more confident. I choose to feel more capable. I choose to feel more awesome. I choose to feel more confident. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved. I choose to feel more confident. I choose to feel more confident. So I'm choosing to clear self-doubt. All these doubts about my abilities, all these doubts that I have what it takes. I choose to be open to the possibility that these doubts are just based on misunderstandings, mine or someone else's. Something happened, somebody said something, and it caused me to doubt myself, limited my confidence. And I'm clearing that up. It was a misunderstanding. Because the truth is, I'm awesome. Not perfect. I'm not as good as I can be yet. I'm a work in progress, but I have what it takes to get better and better. And maybe I'm afraid of that. Part of me might be saying, if I had any more confidence, I could get myself into some real trouble. Maybe confidence has gotten me in trouble in the past. And I survived that. I'm allowing real confidence. Part of me already knows that I have what it takes. Otherwise, I wouldn't be tapping along right now. I'm allowing that confidence to grow even more. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. Hopefully, you're already starting to feel more confident, and maybe you'll help other people feel more confident by clicking like, sharing this video, commenting, subscribing. And when there's other stuff that might limit your confidence, I'm here for you. Thanks.